Hello friends, we are talking about WordPress on this channel. Now as you know, WordPress is a powerful platform. As a CMS, it can serve website and application software as well. So it is not limited to website, blogs or e-commerce stores. You can run a complete application software using WordPress core. In this video, we are going to discuss about car parking booking system, which is a very common requirement nowadays for every premises, buildings or the colony, we can say. So car parking booking system can be easily run using WordPress core CMS, and it is a powerful WordPress plugin for managing parking lot reservations. It features a simple booking process with online payments, notification, WooCommerce and Google service integration. So simply using this application, you can run a business. Yes. So you can run it as a personal premise use, like if you have office in a premises, you want to work with a automated parking management system, it can serve well. And if you are willing to use this application as a business, it can be done as SaaS because it is collecting payments, so every parking is paid here. Let me show you some demos very quickly. So there are 6 demos that I can see with the link, the car parking booking system, and the system can be availed at CodeCanyon.net simply by following video description link. It costs just $59 and you can use this system at any existing website or WordPress plain installation. So it is very simple to start with this. So in the demo, we have like demo 1, like entry date or the entry time, the exit date and time, car parking area, and get a code. Like it is a system where the parking is going to be done, like parking spaces can be booked or the parking can be booked simply. In the demo 2, what we can see, it is again same, almost same. So like I'm choosing a time here, and on the 25th it can be like this. So I'm randomly choosing, and now here is the next screen. On the next screen we have option to park two-wheeler or regular car or whatever. So randomly I'm choosing the car, and the city center transfer can be as an add-on, the health protection cover and all. So like I'm selecting this, and customer details. So customer puts a detail with the name and all, and payment options, and what is the cost for this parking with the add-on feature can be seen here like this. So this is a booking engine for parking, and it works well at every step, because when you are planning to go anywhere, you are worried about where you are going to park your car or your vehicle. So you can book online parking available in the premise or in the area, so that it your car or vehicle may be parked safely, right? So this is a service, and similarly there might be different layouts, like this is the layout for another purpose, and it is showing the location as well. So live location can be seen here, and the demos are almost same. So steps are almost same everywhere, but yes, you can choose any of these demos. Now you might be wondering how you can start this. So you just need to install the plugin, like I have already done. Just to show you, I have already installed the plugin car parking booking system, and at the first, on the back end, this is the back end of course. So on the first, it is showing the calendar, and this calendar can show all the bookings for a particular date and time. So at the first instance, when you are running this application as an admin or the service owner, you can check all the details of booking on a particular date. So I don't have any data, so I can show you, but yes, it works well. So calendar is here, booking. So the bookings, what are the bookings, what is the status of booking can be filtered, like booking status, location and its space, booking period, client and billing address can be seen here, and further it can be exported in CSV just in case if you need to share. Booking forms can be other thing where you are creating new forms and that you can use at your front end of website or wherever you want to apply the system. Like you in the general setting, you can set the booking form ID, the locations, the the booking statuses, and the geolocation you can enable. Even you can enable the WooCommerce to collect payment, and it may be necessary. You can enable enable to log in with WooCommerce. The coupons can be here. The parking space sortings can be like the price ascending, descending, and the maximum booking per time interval all can be set here in the general setting. Further, and the form elements can be like you can create new labels, you can add new fields, agreement, and all. The styles, so the form is going to be completely configurable as I shown in the demo. So these are the forms, and you can customize your form layouts, and further you can integrate the Google Maps. On the other area, like you can use the short codes for booking form that can be displayed on any particular page. Either it can be in the widget format, horizontal or horizontal widget 2, and the prices can be set, and the currencies in fact can be set here. Like for India it can be INR or the minimum order value, the hide fees. So even the hide all additional fee for booking summary and merge them into a price for the selected parking price. So if you want to offer the bundle offers, display net prices is the theme. Look and feel is the area where you can set the steps, step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you can customize this completely. So it is totally configurable thing. Booking extras you can set here, like if you are willing to add on as is shown in the demo area. So you can add new add-ons, the pricing rules. So pricing rules can be created, and the conditions and the prices can be set when and what you are going to charge for parking facility. The locations for particular location in the area, you can add title, location, parking spaces, how many the parking spaces are available in particular location, what is the address, availability, the payment, notification, and Google Calendar. Similarly, we have space types, and you can create new space types here, like a space ID, the dimensions and width and length all can be determined or configured here. Coupons you can offer for your customer, tax rates, and email accounts. So it is a complete end-to-end parking management system, and the best part, it can work with a core WordPress without any website and with any existing WordPress website. So it works as a plugin and add-on part of your website, and you can run the solution as a business as well. So I feel this feature is going to be helpful, and you can launch a feature for your office premise or even in form of a business. So in the coming videos, I'm exploring more solutions that you can run using the WordPress CMS, and I'm sure I'll bring some useful some more useful things like SQL management system is already there, the library management system can be there, and of course the store management systems are here, inventory management and all. So if you have any specific requirement, simply join us on the iCreate live chat with a mentor and explore the solutions what is available at iCreate program. And even you can get started here. It is the onboarding is free, so you can simply fill this form to be on board, and you will be connected to a mentor for your every need related to WordPress website. And yours program offers the complete digital transformation within 12 weeks. So even you can explore this plan and activities what you can do and connect with your related inquiries, and it can be really very good. And one thing I wish to show you, yes, so why you should join the iCreate, and this is the question. So read these conditions, and if any of these matches with you, you have a reason to join the iCreate program. And this is not like a promotion. The onboarding is completely free, and you can connect with a mentor, or you can even connect on the Discord channel to discuss much and much things what you actually need for your business, for your client solution and all. Let us meet in the next video where we will bring new thing. Thank you.